Hello and welcome. My name is Dennis Sepulveda and I am from Remax Crest, and today I am really excited to show you this gorgeous property in the heart of North Vancouver. Welcome to 2763 Crestlynn Drive. Let's go check it out. Come on in. You guys, there's so many things I love about this home. Location, location, location. But my favorite thing is this gorgeous renovation from Shakespeare Homes. Come check out this kitchen. That is just the main level. Down below, we have a legal, fully permitted 2-bedroom suite and a rec room. Let's go check it out. So there you have it. If you want to see this place for yourself, call me at 604-401-3635 and schedule your private showing today. Hope to see you soon.